Good morning, my sunshine. I know it's been a while. I've been really tired.
Today is Easter.
Today is Easter?
Yeah.
I was like, what? So, yeah, I know it's been a while. It's been really hectic and busy here, and it's just like everything is just like
Weird.
passing me all by. Don't mind my hair. I just got up. But yeah, I just got up and it's like 7:30 and
No, it's 7:32.
it's like 7:32 because my daughter evidently has something going on with the time. And Daddy, music in the background. Can you get that, please? Can you get that music thing in the background? Because I mean, heck, if I tape my vlogs and there's a Bob Marley in the background that I can't get rid of, and then I can't upload my video because it's copyrighted. No, turn that thing off. Anyways,
Daddy, Mommy said to turn your song off.
people, this is all me early in the morning, no makeup, and I'm not about to go put no makeup on just to film my introduction. So you'll see me later on makeup. But my husband made me breakfast in bed, even though it was Solomon.
Solomon?
Yeah. And then he got me roses just because.
Easter.
It's not Easter.
No.
It's not Easter. It might be the first day of spring. And
he doesn't have
a big old extra large Kit Kat. Like, he knows that you bring me Kit Kat, he's like, eat it in moderation. Seriously, you bring me Kit Kat, I open this, the whole thing is gone in my mouth. The whole thing. Not just one piece. No, the whole thing. I love Kit Kat. Love Kit Kat. So, that's my news. Got 12 dozen roses for no reason. Thank you, honey.
I didn't give you
A Kit Kat. A orange. A bottle of water that's over there. And breakfast in bed. While taking care of. But, yeah. I know, honey. I love him too. But, I have great news for you guys. But I won't be able to share it until May. May! There you go! So, it's a surprise. So, yeah. I will tell you guys then. It's great news. Great news.
Daddy,
Great news.
this is so spiky.
We're excited. We are excited. And, yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna get up, go get dressed, and get on the road. So I'll see you guys then.
They're not. I know.
Why is Daddy barefooted?
Right here. Here. I'm barefooted. I'm wearing a puppy.
Here, Jack.
Huh?
Gio, what are you doing?
I found it. I found it.
You found it?
I'm gonna jump in the car. Wait! Where we going? Which car are we going?
Daddy's car.
Hey! Yay! We're doing a show! They look like leaves, but he didn't
This is the marble.
He didn't trust me.
What do you mean those are not the marbles? These are marbles.
Those are for decorations.
Yeah, it's like at church.
Marbles.
Decorations.
Marbles are marbles.
No, those don't have designs on them.
This one does.
It's like this.
No.
No, the rainbow one has designs in it. The rainbow one.
Marbles supposed to have designs in them.
Maybe Michael's? I don't know. Jaxson, let me see. Jaxson. Oh, me. Alright.
You should do this. I don't know. They don't look like it. No, Jaxson.
Teach Jaxson. Wait, push that card.
You ready?
Almost.
Look at the card, Jason.
You mean like the flashcards? Flashcards, right?
Yeah.
Flashcards would be over.
Flashcards. Puzzles. I saw the puzzles too.
What are these? Subtraction. No.
But I want him to figure out puzzles.
What kind of puzzles?
Like, hard puzzles that he could get. Yes, I found an egg. Easter egg? See? No. It's a Marcelo egg.
What?
Come on, let's go.
Alright, come on, boys.
Make your cake.
Come on, guys.
No marbles?
You're shocking.
Can I have one of these? Can I have one of these?
What's that?
A dinosaur?
You already have that. Go put it back.
But I don't have
Put it back, you do.
no. I like this one, Mommy.
Which one?
I don't have one.
The,
I don't
truck?
have one.
okay.
I don't have one.
Let's see if the Easter
I
Bunny
don't
brings it
have
for you.
one, Mommy.
Put it back. What do you think this is? Just come to Toys R Us and you just pick out a toy?
Mom, I don't
You
have
do have one of that.
I don't.
Okay, we'll see if the Easter Bunny brings you one. Go put it back. No. No. If you ever start to crying for toys, no.
Look, John.
Weren't you gonna get the kids one of that?
I don't rate this. I do know how to rate this.
Stop.
I'm paying up $500 for that.
Could be Daddy.
Get him a real
For
one.
Jason and me.
Are these people losing their mind? Like seriously. Like, what do? Pick up your money off the street and just come buy toys for $500?
Oh, they're big enough.
How is
I can see Jason falling off of that.
I fall.
Oh, look at Jack.
This is heavy.
That one is heavy compared to that one.
Huh?
This one is
Yeah, that
bigger.
one's heavy.
Take it off. But this
Look
fall.
at Teeny over there.
You got a kickstand on the side.
Where?
Yeah.
It's in there.
Jaxson, could you stop?
I don't.
Honey, when are you gonna get me my beach bike?
Never.
Daddy.
I like this one. Honey, I like this one.
So we're not really getting it?
So we are on our way back home. My husband spent more money than he should have. But given the fact that he's out with his children, I didn't expect anything less of him.
Why?
That's just who he is. He spends his money on his children. I'm not gonna fuss. Oh, he spent his money on his children and his wife. Let's get that straight. It doesn't matter what Jason's doing. You need to be doing what I tell you to do.
Jaxson, you can do it.
So,
See? You just get the belt, you just do this.
I got the stuff for the kids' Easter baskets on Sunday, and yeah, I got the things for the kids' Easter basket on Sunday. We might go to his parents' house, even though his mom is not here. We might, because I think he has to work tomorrow. And my nails are red because they change color, so they go from red to pink. I am about to get them done on Friday because I'm tired of this color. I know, and people were like, is that a French manicure? Manicure with white, with color base? And I was like, yeah. They're like, I've never seen it done that way. And I'm like, you just have to ask for what you want. If that's what you want, that's what you want. I don't like the plain nail bed with French. I don't like it. So, anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will try my best over spring break to get some really good footage and share with you guys. Anyways, we're gonna go home, watch a movie, spend some time together as a family, and oh man, I need that phone, that car thing for my phone. But anyways,
That's it, sit down.
bye guys.
But they have big ones.